Want to build AI agents that can scrape the web? Let's integrate the Decodo Web Scraping API with LangChain. You'll need Node.js version 20 or higher, Git package, a Decodo Web Scraping API subscription, and an OpenAI API key or another LLM provider's credentials. Start by cloning the Decodo LangChain repository. Open your terminal and run this command. Now navigate to the project folder. Install the dependencies by running this command. This package contains multiple scraping tools, such as specialized scrapers for Google Search, Amazon product data, and Reddit. Next, get your Decodo credentials. Log into the Decodo dashboard and head to Scraping APIs. Go to Web Advanced and copy your authentication username and password for later. Now grab your LLM credentials. If you're using OpenAI, go to platform.openai.com and sign in. Click Dashboard, then API Keys. Select Create New Secret Key, name it, and click Create Secret Key. Copy the credentials and save for later. Back in your project folder, find the file called .env.example. Copy this file and rename it to .env. Open the env file with your code editor. Then add your Decodo credentials and OpenAI API key. Replace the placeholder values with your actual credentials. Save the file. Finally, test the setup by running one of the example scripts. You should see the agent scraping the requested page and returning results. This confirms everything is functioning correctly. Now let's look at what's happening in the example code and how to adjust the Decodo scraper parameters. The structure is straightforward. First, we import the required packages, load environment variables, and create an instance of Decodo Universal Tool with your credentials. Note that the key element is the Decodo config object, which requires your username and password. It's a mandatory parameter for this integration. Then we set the language model and create the agent, passing in both the model and the Decodo tool. Last, we invoke the agent with our query. You can adjust the content variable to a prompt of your choice to get different results. For advanced parameters like geolocation, locale, or JavaScript rendering, check the Scraper API documentation. You'll find all available tools and code samples in the Decodo GitHub repository. The link is in the description.